How's it going, everybody? Welcome to TradeConfident.io. Today, I'm going to be showing you guys how to use the live trading metrics over on our website. So in order to access this, you guys go to TradeConfident.io. You do need to sign up for a subscription, currently $49 a month, and then you guys come over here to live trades and you will be navigated to the correct spot to start trading. So we cover Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, and all the coins you see on the page here. All you need to do to view the trade setups for these is just to click on the title and it'll open this up. So for today, I'm going to teach you guys how to trade on the Bitcoin chart, but this exact strategy you can use on any of them. Real quickly, guys, these charts update every single day at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. But if the lines do not update some days, it's because we are waiting for the first buy limit to be hit. So sometimes you guys are going to come here and you'll see like, you know what, why didn't the lines update? It's just simply because we haven't had our first buy limit hit and we're waiting for price action to actually move down and hit that. So if you don't see lines update, that's totally fine. I promise you guys, we literally check this every single day, Monday through Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, throughout the week and the month. So we pay more attention to this than mostly anything on the website because it's how we're making money. All right, guys, here's how you trade this. Get a pen and pad out. This is very, very simple. I'm going to fly through here because it's not hard. Here's what we do. We take long trades, guys. What you're going to do is you're going to find the current price of any of these coins at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, or really any time you want. For the example, I'm literally going to use this chart, which is live on Bitcoin. So right now, Bitcoin is sitting at 42,589. Let's pretend you came to the website right now and you wanted to trade this. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at this 42,500 is what we're going to say. If we come over here and we see 42,500, it's sitting right about here. All you guys need to do is put 4 buy limits into your exchange and then put a sell limit. So follow me here. If you guys have $1,000, I suggest you take the trade allotment that you want to use, $1,000, and you split it into 4 equal portions, 25% each. So $1,000 divided by 4, or simply 25%, is just $250. So $250 would go here at 41,311.49. $250 would go at this buy limit here, $250 at this buy limit, and $250 at this buy limit. All of your prices are over here in the right in the yellow, and that's all you guys do. What you're going to do is be patient. I know sometimes it's hard, but you're just going to be patient for that buy limit to get hit. Once your first buy limit is hit, you're going to look at the first yellow line above your current buy limit, and this will be your sell limit. So for example, in Coinbase Pro, I would go in right now, literally right now, if you were taking this trade, you'd say, okay, here's the current price of Bitcoin, look at the chart over here and place 4 buy limits. Super simple. Once your first buy limit is hit, then you just want to set up your sell limit for this example, which would be 52,836.27. Once that's set up, guys, you are literally good to go. This is going to execute like a bot. So while you're sleeping on vacation, while you're at the beach, hanging out with family, grocery shopping, dropping kids off at school, you guys will have your trades triggered in here and you guys will get into your positions. Now, here's the most amazing part about this strategy. Once your first buy limit is hit and the price starts moving down and your second buy limit is hit, you guys will actually see that your break-even entry does not stay at the current first buy limit. It actually moves down with you. So the way to calculate this is very simple. So I'm going to actually get a little bit of a drawing tool out here so I can show this to you guys. It's very, very fun if you understand how this works. So let's say your first buy limit got triggered here at 41,311, and then your second one got hit here. Basically, you just need to take your first entry price plus your second entry price and just divide it by 2. That's going to give you your new break-even entry. So as the price goes down and hits more buy limits, you will actually get a more favorable break-even entry as the market goes against you. It's the only strategy where I literally have people emailing me saying, Travis, I know I'm in a trade, but I really hope it goes down so I can get more money in the market. It's like, it's so fun that our traders, and even myself, it's like, hey, we're in a trade and the price went up. Awesome, we're all making money. But if it goes down further, we get more money into the market and we're even more excited because we're expecting it to go back up. Very, very fun strategy. All right, now you guys know how to trade this for long trades. If you do want to short this, shoot me an email at btradeconfident@gmail.com and I'll give you guys some hints. But I'm gonna be honest with you guys, we have never lost a long trade on the channel on the YouTube. Mark me down for a loss in the future. Please do. I'm sure it will happen, but we haven't lost one yet. Let me show you now how to actually use the metrics once you guys are in a trade, because that's something you guys are probably going to wonder about right now. So let's do this. I'm going to take this off and let's come up here and we're going to look at the metrics. So let's say you guys got tagged into the first buy limit, or let's say you're in a trade and you have your sell limit hit. What I like to do is actually use the metrics over here for Bitcoin and get an idea of when should I profitably exit. And I am going to show you guys also how to exit with the trend exhaustion in this video too. So definitely stick around for that, okay? The most emotional index here is what I like to look at as far as when I want to exit positions. I like to look for exits when I'm in a long trade, when we're pushed up into the excited area, because historically, this is when a lot of retail traders get too excited in the market and the wells and institutions come in, they sell very quickly and they drop the price back down. So when I push up into the top section here of excited and greedy, this is where I like to look to take some profit. Now moving down here, if we start seeing the long and short trades here starting to really decrease, like if long trades decrease out of the market and short trades increase, that might be a place where you want to take some profit, okay? Looking at this more down here, long for short trade risk, if this is saying great long trade, hey, good job at getting into those metrics. You can actually follow this for all of our coins. And if some coins, you'll wake up in the morning, you'll check this, and some of them look neutral, other coins, and they come down here and they say great long trade, you can get into that great long trade. You actually have a higher chance of winning that trade if you set up your buy limits for coins that have the blue line into the metric of the good long trade or great long trade. So using the metrics are very, very powerful. Also, once I'm in a long trade, if this isn't confirmation you should be in a long trade right now, I don't know what is. So when you want to look to enter long trades, check this right here. This will show you guys what wells and institutions and smart money are doing on here to enter in. Right now, a lot of people are going long. We're going long on the channel as well, and we're doing very well. We're making some profits, and I'm expecting to close out some trades this week. But once you start getting into long trades, let's say you got into a long trade here and it starts moving up, and the metric bars start printing to the downside that, well, an institutional smart money is going short, that might be a place where you want to look to take maybe a 25, 50 to 100% exit. Okay, moving down here, this is just dollar cost average buys. You don't need to use this if you're using that strategy. Basically what this says is if you have, let's say, $10,000 and you just want to throw $1,000 into the market and hold it for 5 to 10 years, you can totally do that, and you just hold for the long term. Great entries here. The exit points is something I do use to call profitable exits once you're in a trade. So example, let's say Bitcoin, you guys got triggered into the trade we talked about in the beginning of the video, and let's say Bitcoin starts heading up here. This metric will actually come out and show you guys red backgrounds when the price is expected to move back down. And when I get this, I sometimes exit 25 to 50% of my trade. Now let me show you this one other thing before I let you guys go here, and this is how I use the trend exhaustion and the price versus the well money flow indicator to call profitable exits. And I do this more than anything else on the channel, so I really highly suggest you guys do get the trend exhaustion and the price versus well money flow, and you guys can find this over on the website if you simply just go to indicators right here. Okay, so what you guys are going to do is just simply follow this. Let's say you're in a long trade right now. What I like to do is when the trend exhaustion pushes up into the top red section, which is this top section right here, I like to look to take at least 25 to 50% of my trade out of the market. The reason for that is because this has been incredibly accurate at calling the tops before the price moves back down. There, it called the top here before we moved back down. It literally called the top before we got one of the fastest crashes in Bitcoin ever. It called the top here before we moved back down, also called the tops over here before we moved down, also called the top here before we moved back down. So with an indicator of this crazy accuracy, as well as the price versus well money flow here, the well money flow being in green, saying, hey, we're at some top levels here, I would expect to see a move back down. Even right here as well, we saw the move down. Over here, we saw the move down as well. When this gets into the top red section, I do suggest you guys look to take at least 25 to maybe 50% profit on these trades, okay? I will be coming out and helping you guys manage these on the YouTube channel, but I also want to show this to you guys. If you come down to the very bottom, you can, this is for the paid members only, so I want to keep this private. If you guys click Telegram at the bottom here, you guys will get a link to the actual Telegram channel that I have, and you guys will get access to trade calls that I make, and actually you will get exits that I come out with for these top 10 coins. If I see a good exit for us of 25% or 50%, I'm going to let you guys know, and you will not miss it whatsoever because you guys get notifications to your Telegram app on your phone, okay? So guys, that is a full update of how you guys trade the system. It has been really, really fun. If you guys want to just do this for fun and come over to Profits and just take a look at what some people have been doing over here, like $1,800, on one trade here, on Doge and ADA, $500 in 12 hours, 24% here, $300 here. Guy made $5,000. It's just really crazy. We actually did have a guy make $60,000 based off our metrics and trade call, $4,800, $2,000 here. It just gets pretty ridiculous as you go down here, another $5,000 here. So I hope you guys have fun. If you have any questions of how to trade this strategy, please email me at btradeconfident@gmail.com. But that's how you guys trade it. Do know, again, just quick update, if the lines do not end up updating some mornings, it's simply because we have not hit that structure yet. But I promise you guys, every single morning these are checked, and we are making sure that we update these live for all of you guys. So have a good one. God bless you so much, and I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.